Hey guys, welcome to the part 11 of your Learn jQuery video series in 30 days. In this part, we will be talking about some of the if cool jQuery effects like fade in, fade out, fade toggle. jQuery is famous for its two or three functions like one, its power of manipulating the DOM, second for its effect, and third for its easiness. Okay, we will be covering in this part some of the effects of jQuery. First up, I will create a image tag. I'll give a source. I have a local image with a name of 1.png. Okay, I will open this up in a browser. I can see that my image has been loaded to my page. Image is little bit big. I will make it small. I will give the image some of the styles like height. I will give it HTML styles like height 150 is too big, 250, width 300. Okay, now I'll refresh my page. See, the image is now good. I will give one more thing. I will give a inline style of dis display display none. Okay, and I will create a button with the ID of button. Okay, and I will click. I will name it in fade in. You can see that I have a button, and in this example I am creating that whenever I click this fade in button, it should display the image. Okay, with the effect. First up, I will select the image. I haven't given an ID or a class to the image, so that I will select it by its HTML tag dot image. Okay, if you ever used JavaScript, it's in JavaScript. If you want to select any HTML attribute, any HTML tag which is tag name, you should use document dot get elements by tag name. Get elements by tag name. Okay, elements is the main component. I will first of all select the button has a ID of button, and I will give a event listener of click. Okay, and I will give a anonymous function inside, and I will select the image tag, and the image tag is with haven't given any image ID or class to image tag. That's why I will use by its HTML tag image dot fade in. Okay, now I will refresh my page. I will refresh this out. I will click that image is faded in. If you want to set the image that it should fade in this much time or that much time, you can do also that. You can, if you want to fade the image in 1 second, you can give 1000. The value is in milliseconds. That's why if you want it to be displayed in 1 second, you have to give 1000. Okay, so it is displayed in 1 second. You can use to 5. I'll use 5 second. You can see that it will be displayed dheere dheere. Okay, it's displayed in 5 seconds. Or if you don't want this, you can do like that. It also have a text values like slow, fast, medium. Okay, I will give fast. It will display fast, and I can give slow also, slow, or something like that, slow. Okay, and you can give one more you can give many parameters also. Is another one is called linear. Okay, it's the second parameter. It's the style in which the it's fade. Okay, you can see, it's very hard to see, but it's changed some of the style. And the third parameter is a callback function. Whenever this is completed, a function is called back. I will do a alert that fade completed. Okay, refresh my page. I will create the fade in button. When the fade completed is show fade completed. Okay, man. Okay, that's it for fade. Now we'll create a fade out function. Fade out is For fade out, I will remove this display none, because we have to fade out the image. Okay, I will change the button text, I will make it fade out. Okay, all the functions are same, all the properties are same, but the name changes. It's not fade in, it's fade out. Oh, which key I pressed? Oh, fade out. Fade out. All the property will be same. I will click like this. I will click fade out. The image will fade out slowly, and it will show the fade out function. You can different parameters like slow, medium. It's something like medium or normal. I forget what's the name. It's medium. Fade completed. That's the function. I have another function called fade toggle. For this toggle, it has all the same functions like fade in, fade out, but it's like that. If you first time click, the image is display, the image will be shown off. When you next time click, it will display the image. Display out, display in. Okay, that's the three functions. jQuery has many animations. That's the three. In the next part, we will cover more animations of jQuery. Bye, peace, more stuff coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe us. Hello, one good news, guys. My YouTube channel hit 1K likes. That's a good achievement for me. Hope you enjoy my videos more. Bye.